Agile practitioners, do you know that as an Agile practitioner, you can start making a lot of money without working 9 to 5 for anybody? If you've been applying endlessly and not anything back, not getting any calls back, it's time to stop waiting and start making money on your own terms. And I'm going to be teaching you how in this video. By the way, my name is Fomafung, your favorite Agile Evangelist, and welcome back to our channel. Here we talk about business agility. We help people that are looking to transition into the Agile career path, or who are already in the Agile career path, leadership path, and they want to be better. We help them through our training, mentorship, and coaching programs. We also help small and medium-sized businesses that are looking to generate revenue faster. We show them how to do that, leveraging business agility and AI. So please, if you're new here, click that subscription button and the notification bell, and let's continue to thrive and grow together through learning. Now, how do you make money as an Agile practitioner without working 9 to 5 for anybody? Look, the skills that you do have as an Agile practitioner is gold. You just don't know it yet. Let me tell you how. The very first thing you may want to think about, which is what has been working for me, is being an independent consultant for small and medium-sized businesses. Think about it. If you have worked as an Agile practitioner, there should be a high probability that it was for a big corporation. Because for some reason, Agile has been packaged to come across it's only for big corporations. No. For the past month, I've been talking about this a lot because it has worked for me. Agile works for any environment. Business agility. Now we have AI. It even makes things way better. So you can become an independent consultant for small and medium-sized businesses, selling different Agile services to them. That is magical. You being able to help these organizations increase their revenue faster, help them stay lean with their work, and achieve a healthy team culture, they will love you forever. So how do you go about this? The very first step, identify local businesses in your area. Go to them. Tell them what you do. Network, socialize yourself with them. Tell them what you do and tell them how you can help them. And that's it. It's over. These people buy. And the reason why they buy is because they are ready to make small investments, say between $3,000 to $15,000. They don't have any problem making this kind of investments. But with big corporations, it's more challenging because they will need to spend approximately $75,000 to $100,000 per contract. You see, so this thing works. It works. I've been doing it. It's been working for me. So you guys know I'll always come here and share. Even though sometimes some people are not worthy of the information I put out there, but I still put it out there for those that are worthy of it. The second means for you to generate revenue fast without working 9 to 5 for any employer is sell digital products. Especially if you are an experienced Agile practitioner, there are many things you can sell. The very first thing is you can create mini courses with your Agile knowledge. You can make money by selling knowledge. You see, create mini courses with your Agile knowledge. Agile practitioners, people will always pay for templates, guides, and stuff like that. So you can create templates, guides, and sell them online. There are different places where you can sell them. You can either sell them on your own website or you can sell them on Etsy. You can also sell them. People pay for templates, guides, and courses. You can make mini courses and you can sell resume templates. You can sell cheat sheets, digital books. For example, you can make a book on how to become a Scrum Master. Put it online. You can put it online on Amazon. You can put it on Gumroad. You can put it on Etsy. You can even put it on your own website. People will always buy these materials. Go on our website and you will see these mini templates and courses there that are highly effective for people looking for direct and quick solutions. As Agile practitioners, other Agile practitioners like Scrum Masters, Agile Coaches, they will buy these templates and use it for their organizations, you see. So you can actually create these products. And with digital products, once you've successfully put them out there, you will sell. It's going to be there forever, which means that you will do the work only once and you continue to make money while you sleep. Here I'm giving you the real thing. And then another way that you can make money is you can create content. You can put out your content on LinkedIn, YouTube. Where's the other part? Site. Even on your website, you can build a website, create content, do blogging and put them there. These platforms will pay you money for your content. And then you can also coach other Agile practitioners. This is the third way of making money. You can coach other Agile practitioners, those that are struggling with interviews and stuff like that, what being Agile is doing. I actually also started like you all before we finally got to where we are right now. Coach Agile practitioners. The best way to learn is to teach. So look for people that are looking to transition into this space. They lack experience. Coach them to gain experience. Share your knowledge. Look for people that are already working but struggling with their role. Help them. Empower them through mentorship and coaching, and you get paid for it. So you see, it's just a big blue ocean. There are endless opportunities for you to make money with your skills. As an Agile practitioner, your skills are gold. You just don't know it yet. If you want me to show you how to actually go through this thing, if you want a structured guide, hand-holding on how to do these things and achieve the goal, reach out to me. Contact us through Being Agile Consulting. That's our contact information there. And we'll be more than happy to show you how to get there. Now, the most important thing I want you to know, for you to be able to achieve these things, you have to be skilled, because the skills is what you're selling. But how to sell them, I'll be able to show you that. If you don't have those skills, that's where you need to be able to acquire those skills. And we can also help you through our Agile mentorship and coaching for Agile or aspiring Agile practitioners. So we have a fantastic program which is not about certification for those that are aspiring or already practicing as Agile coaches. We will help you through that for you to master the science of professional coaching. And when I say professional coaching, I'm actually referring to the 4 stances of professional coaching: training and facilitation. We have a clear roadmap that has been defined, and it has been tested by some of the biggest corporations out there, and it worked magic. The corporations are like Salesforce, US Bank, Gap Technology. They've tested our roadmap and it has delivered amazing results. This is the same roadmap that we will be handing to you as a mentee for you to be able to clearly become very competent, and you will be able to make money through these different opportunities, a lot of money through these different opportunities. And you will not be sitting there waiting for some employer to call you and then questioning you and telling you, oh, sorry, unfortunately, we've decided to go with other candidates. If this video was helpful and you want to stay in touch with us, hit that subscription button and the notification bell. Share with at least 5 people so we can all grow together in this community. Thank you so much. This is Karen Fomafung, your favorite Agile Evangelist, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.